Hey there, it's Luna. Right now, I am outside, walking slowly, breathing deeply, and just thinking. Not teaching, not explaining, just thinking in English. If you're listening, try to do the same. Don't translate, don't worry about grammar. Just listen and let your mind follow the rhythm of my thoughts. This is slow listening, and this is how fluency begins, with calm moments and simple words.
The path is covered with small golden leaves. They make a soft sound under my feet. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The air smells fresh, like grass after the rain. I look up. The sky is clear and wide, and the sunlight feels warm on my face. I take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. It's a good morning. There's a woman jogging slowly on the other side. She has headphones on and she's smiling. Maybe she's listening to her favorite song. A man is reading a newspaper on a bench. His dog sleeps next to him, his nose resting on his man's shoe. I think to myself, this place feels alive. Everything is moving, but in a calm, quiet way, like the world is breathing too.
As I walk, I notice how my mind switches from silence to words. But the words come softly now, without effort. The trees are tall. The air feels cool. I like this moment. They're not special sentences, but they feel real. They're connected to what I see, to what I feel. That's the secret, I think. Fluency isn't about knowing every word. It's about feeling the words you already know. When I walk like this, I don't think about grammar. I think about life, and English becomes part of it. Sometimes I imagine my thoughts like clouds. They come and go, and each one carries a small English phrase. I'm here. It's peaceful. The wind feels nice. That's all you need to start. There's a small cafe near the corner. I stop for a moment. The smell of coffee fills the air, warm, sweet, a little bitter. I sit by the window and watch people walking by. Some are in a hurry. Some are laughing. Some are lost in their phones. Life moves fast, but right now, I don't need to. I take a sip of my coffee. It's hot. A little strong, but good. I look outside again, and I think, every moment can be an English moment. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a teacher. You just need time and curiosity. Every sound, every smell, every feeling is a chance to describe something in English. That's how you start to think in it. Soft rain begins to fall. Tiny drops on the window, like music. I love the sound of rain. It makes everything slower. The streets shine a little, and the air smells clean. I put my hood on and keep walking. My shoes make small sounds on the wet ground. Tap, tap, tap. I pass by a bookstore. Through the window, I see old books, brown and golden covers lined up like memories. For some reason, they make me smile. I think of stories, of words, of how every language carries its own world. And I whisper to myself, English is not just a language. It's a bridge between thoughts and feelings, between people, between you and the rest of the world. The rain stops. The clouds open slowly, and a soft light shines again. I stop walking and just stand there for a while. There's a puddle near my feet. In it, I can see the reflection of the sky, blue and white, beautiful and quiet. I take another deep breath and I think, I'm here. I'm calm. I'm thinking in English. Those simple thoughts make me feel peaceful because they remind me I'm learning. I'm growing. Every day, every moment, a little more fluent. Fluency is not speed. It's not perfect pronunciation. It's comfort. It's when you can live your day and your thoughts just flow in English. So, wherever you are, walking, studying, or just resting, try it. Look around you, feel something, and describe it in English. Not to study, but to connect. That's how you become fluent, one quiet, thoughtful moment at a time. This is Luna, and you've been listening to English with Luna. Thank you for joining me today. Take care and keep thinking in English. Slowly, softly, naturally.